Hi guys, welcome back. So today, sorry, I have hair on my hands. I'm going in and I'm showing you guys a really simple twist out routine featuring none other than Pattern Beauty. So I just hopped out the shower and I washed my hair with the shampoo. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, I do have a full review of Pattern Beauty on my channel, so make sure to check that video out. And then I went in with the Pattern Beauty Intensive Conditioner. So this is the deepest conditioner or the highest level. This is the intensive, that's for tight textures. I picked this one up at Ulta the other day to use as a deep conditioner. So I shampooed my hair, I put this in and worked it through with none other than the Pattern Beauty brush. I left that in for maybe about 15 minutes while I did the rest of my shower routine. And now I'm just gonna go in and show you guys a very quick twist out routine or a wash day routine just to keep moisture in your hair, but then rock a twist out. So first I'm gonna be going in with the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner. Just gonna start by sectioning my hair. All right, you guys, I'm back. So I just have my hair into 4 sections and I start literally every style off this way. I always start with my hair parted the way I'm going to style it. So I'm taking this back section here while my hair is wet and going in with the leave-in conditioner. That could be way too much, but we're gonna take that, starting on the ends of the hair. Now, one thing I can say is this leave-in conditioner does have a good amount of slip. And one thing I like is that the scent is pretty much the same throughout the line. The shampoo doesn't really smell like much, but I've noticed that the conditioners and the leave-in conditioner all have the same fragrance. And it's a really nice one, so. I'm going to take my pattern brush, starting on the ends. All right, let's split this section right in half. Then for my styler, I'll be going in with the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream. And I'll take about that much for the section. And then I'm probably gonna make this 2 twists, so I'll split it in half. Just like this. Okay, there you go. 4 chunky twists. I have those 4 twists. I'm going to do these 2 sections and then I'll come back to show you the rest. All right guys, so I'm back with this final section. So once again, we're gonna take the leave-in conditioner and I'm gonna use about that much. I'm just gonna work this into this section. Go in with the coil, enhancing moisture butter. These are the results. I did twist up my hair last night using the Pattern Beauty and the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Coil Enhancing Butter. So I twisted my hair up. I used a few bobby pins to keep it stretched overnight. And now we're gonna take it down and fluff. So there's nothing on my hands right now because my hair is really moisturized, so I don't need to add anything else. I'm going to gently grab a twist, start at the base, unroll it, and pull it apart. All the twists out. You can go back and begin to separate and fluff to get the desired result. just like that. That is it, you guys. So these are the results using Pattern Beauty, the leave-in. And I like the results. My hair does feel very moisturized. So that is the first thing. There's definitely a good amount of moisture and curl definition. There's not too much hold. Like, I definitely feel like if you use this combination, you will have to retwist your hair at night, probably every night, which I don't typically care to do, but I mean, we'll see how this goes. Sorry, ignore my shirt. This is my hair dyeing shirt. But yeah, those are the results, you guys. So we tried the intensive conditioner as a deep conditioner, and overall, I would say it did work well. I definitely don't think it should replace like a regular deep conditioner. It is something to use if you have on hand and you have, 15 minutes or so in the shower to do it, then works beautifully. But these are the results with the twist out. So we'll see how it is tomorrow and the day after. A little update with the Pattern Beauty wash and go that I did in my previous video. My hair did last a full 8 days, you guys. I got a full 8 days out of it without having to reapply product. For me, that is amazing. I will say it did have frizz, and by day 6, I would say it did start to feel a little bit dry, but that is expected for 6 days of, not doing anything to your hair. But it did last really well, and I truly enjoyed it. So that will be a go-to for the leave-in conditioner with that cocoa cream. So we will see. Typically with my regular Camille Rose that I do for twist outs, they last me about 5 days without having to retwist. So we're definitely going to put this to the test and see how it holds up, and that is that. Very pretty. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you like this video or any other video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments, ask questions. If you have any salon questions about your natural hair, let me know. Just a brief little background. I am a natural hairstylist. I own a salon here in Long Beach, California. So any questions that you have that you want a professional to answer, I will gladly do. Just leave the comments in the section below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.